Hello and welcome to the CypressTextiles Crochet Learning Portal Level 1. So today I'm going to be using Shape Just Callista in this 15-gram cutie pie ball to show you guys how to make the single crochet stitch. Okay, so I've got a length of yarn here, and in the first video we learned how to make how to make a slip stitch and how to hold the yarn in your hand to crochet. And in the second video, I taught you guys how to make chains. So I've gone ahead and done the chains so that we can make single crochet into these chains. So what I'm going to do to start single crochet is I'm going to skip this first chain here. So I've got my leading loop and I've got my first chain and my second chain. So my chains are counted like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm going to go into the second chain from the hook. So I've got 1 and 2. This is the second chain from the hook. All right, and you can see that you have this portion of the yarn, but you also have this bottom portion of the chain. So you have the top portion of the chain and the bottom portion of the chain. All right, and can I give you a close-up here? So if you work into this hole, that's the top portion of the chain. If you work down here, that's the bottom. So we're gonna work into the bottom portion of the chain. So I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna use my middle finger to push the hook through the chain. All right, so now my hook is gone through this second chain from the hook, and I'm ready to grab my yarn. Remember, you're always working with this little length of yarn here. Okay, so go in through and wrap the yarn around the hook. Remember, always face your hook down when you're going to pull a loop through. So face your hook down and pull your yarn through. Now I have 2 loops on my hook, the leading loop and the loop that I just pulled through. Now you're going to swoop again and turn your hook down and pull it through both of these loops. And that is a single crochet stitch. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my next chain on the hook into the bottom portion. You can see you have the top loop here, this middle loop coming out, and this bottom loop swooping under. So you're going to go in between that bottom loop and that middle loop. Okay, use your middle finger to stabilize everything. Then grab your yarn and pull it through. Now you've got 2 loops on the hook. Okay, grab your yarn, turn your hook down just like that, and then pull it through 2 loops. All right, now you've got 2 single crochet stitches right in a row. Okay, do it again. Put the hook through the middle portion and the bottom portion of the chain. Pull up your loop. Grab the yarn. Face the hook down. Pull the yarn through 2 loops on the hook. All right, so now I'm going to make a few more just at regular speed. Last one. Okay, so now I have 7 single crochet stitches. All right, I'm going to remove my loop from my hook here so I can count them for you. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you can see the stitches have these little V's on top. Okay, and that is kind of the anatomy of the single crochet. It has 2 vertical bars. All right, there's 2 vertical bars for each single crochet, and there's a V on the top. Okay, and so this is our single crochet. All right, in our next video, we're going to learn how to turn and work back across the single crochet that we did and work back and forth with single crochet. All right, happy crafting, y'all, and I'll see y'all for the next video.